Hi guys, Lewis here. Today I'm going to show you how to use pdfFiller. pdfFiller is an online tool that makes it super easy to edit, sign and share PDFs. You can safely work together on documents and share folders, files and templates with your team so everything gets done smoothly. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the basics of using pdfFiller. First, we'll discuss what pdfFiller is and how it can help you. Then, I'll show you how to sign up and give you a quick tour of the dashboard. Next, I'll explain how to upload and edit a document. And finally, I'll show you how to add a contact in pdfFiller. So, without further delay, let's get started. Alright, let me quickly explain what pdfFiller is all about. Basically, it's an all-in-one tool that helps you create and manage PDFs right from the cloud. You can turn any regular PDF into a fillable, interactive form in just a few seconds, whether you're on your computer or phone. It comes packed with super useful features like editing PDFs, filling out forms automatically, creating new documents, adding e-signatures, watermarks, images, and even videos. Plus, it has tools for security, authentication, collaboration, and version control. No matter if you're a student, a professional, or running a business, pdfFiller can save you tons of time. Plus, it keeps your info safe by following the highest security standards. Now, let me walk you through how to create a new pdfFiller account. To sign up for pdfFiller, just type pdfFiller.com into the search bar of your web browser. This will take you straight to the official website. Once you're there, look for the sign up button in the top right corner and click it. You'll see a page with different options to sign up. You can use your Google account, Facebook account, Apple account, or even your email, whichever is easiest for you. For now, I'll go with the Google account since it's quick and simple. It only takes a few moments and then you'll be redirected to your account dashboard. The pdfFiller dashboard is where you can access all of the features and tools. It's pretty straightforward and user-friendly, so you shouldn't have any trouble navigating it. On the left side of the dashboard, there's a left main menu. It has a bunch of useful tabs to help you manage your documents easily. First off, there's the Add New button. It's super useful for creating new folders, documents, or adding contacts. Next, the dashboard tab is your main hub. Think of it as your home base where you can quickly jump into recent documents and key features. Then we have the My Documents tab. This is where all your uploaded and edited files live, keeping everything neat and organized. Under this, there's the encrypted option, which is perfect for securely storing sensitive files. And the Smart Folders option helps you sort and manage your documents easily. After that, the Templates tab lets you save and access templates for commonly used documents. Moving on, the Contacts tab is where you can add people for quick and easy document sharing. The Shared With Me tab makes it easy to find all the documents others have sent you, so you don't have to go searching around. Now, the Sent section is all about tracking what you've sent out. If it's through email/SMS, faxes, USPS mail, or even Notarize, it's all here. It also includes tools like IRS forms, Mail Merge for bulk messaging, and Link to Fill for easy online document sharing. The Receive tab is where you'll find all incoming documents, and the Public page lets you share documents publicly, so others can view or fill them out as needed. Further down, there's the Suggested Documents tab. It's like a shortcut to commonly used forms, giving you helpful recommendations. Now, let's go over to the Team section. This is where you can handle everything related to your team. Under Manage Users, you can add or manage people in your group. Then there's the Documents tab. It works just like My Documents, but the difference is it's shared with your team, so everyone can access it easily. Hey, quick interruption. Are you searching for the most efficient way to manage your business, life, or finances? Well, I'm excited to share a valuable resource with you all. We've developed top-notch Notion templates to streamline your business operations, enhance your personal organization, and optimize your financial management. Click the link down in the description of this video to check it out. All right, back to the video. Lastly, there's the Trash bin. It stores deleted documents temporarily so you can restore them if you change your mind. These features make it easy to navigate pdfFiller and find what you need. Alright, now that you know the basics, let me walk you through how to upload and edit a document in pdfFiller. It's super easy. First, click on the plus Add New button. You'll see a few options to upload your document. You can upload a file from your computer, use a reusable template, or even create a new document from scratch. For now, let's stick to uploading a file. So click on the Upload Document option. Select a file from your computer and it will upload to the platform. Once you have uploaded your file, pdfFiller will automatically bring you into the editing area where all the main controls are located in a single top toolbar. This bar includes tools like text, sign, initials, erase, image, check, circle, table, highlight, draw, and blackout. You'll also see options to reorder or remove pages, undo or redo changes, add fillable fields, and even insert watermark. Everything you need to shape or secure your PDF is right there. When you're ready to make edits, start by using the text tool to add or change text in your document. Just click anywhere on the page to type and drag the text box to place it exactly where you want. If you need a signature, pick the sign tool, click where you want it, and either upload an image of your signature or draw it right in with pdfFiller. The initials tool works the same way. To delete any unwanted text, images, or marks, use the erase tool and swipe over what you want to remove. For highlighting important points, grab the highlight tool and drag it over the text. You can also circle areas, add check marks, drop sticky notes for comments, or draw shapes by hand. If you need to organize data, the table tool lets you create rows and columns directly in your PDF. And for page management, just click the Pages button at the top left to reorder, add, or delete pages. When you're done editing, or if you want to save your progress, just click the Done button in the top right corner. If you click the 3 orange dots next to it, a sidebar will pop up on the right with more options like download, print, email, and e-sign. From there, you can download your document, print it straight from pdfFiller, or share it by email or fax. You can also use tools like e-sign or link to fill to let others sign or fill out the PDF online. Once you pick what you want to do, pdfFiller takes care of the rest, making it easy and secure to finish and share your files. pdfFiller makes editing documents simple and quick. Its easy to use design puts all the tools you need right in front of you, so you can save time. You can edit, sign, and share PDFs in just a few clicks. Alright, now let's go through how to add contacts in pdfFiller. It's super simple. Just click on the Contacts tab in the menu on the left. This will take you to the Contacts Management screen. You have 2 ways to add contacts. You can either import them from Google or add them manually. For now, we'll stick with adding them manually. Click on the Add Contact option. A window will pop up on the right side of your screen where you can fill in the contact details. You can choose to add a single contact or multiple contacts. Let's keep it simple and add just one contact for now. The form is split into sections to make sure you include all the important details. Start with the Contact Details section. Here, you'll need to type in the first name, last name, email address, phone number, and fax number in the provided fields. And that's it. Next is the company section, where you can enter the company name and job title of the contact. Moving to the address section, which allows you to store location details. Firstly, select the country from the drop-down menu and then enter address line 1, address line 2, city, state, and zip code. Lastly, there is an additional details section, which includes an about field. This lets you add any extra information or notes about the person, such as their role, relationship, or specific preferences. Finally, click the Save button. It will successfully add the contact and redirect you to a page showing the contact. And that's it for this tutorial. Today we covered everything you need to know to get started with pdfFiller. We went over how to sign up, took a look at the dashboard, learned how to upload and edit a document, and even how to add a contact in pdfFiller. I hope this guide made it easy for you to understand the basics of using pdfFiller. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. If you have any questions or want to share your experience using pdfFiller, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.